Hey guys, it's Charlie, and today I'm at Bosque de Chapultepec, and it's like a huge park. It's kind of like a forest, but it's like a forest made into a park. And today I'm just sitting on a big towel. So the squirrel is eating some cornbread that I gave it. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh, it's so cute. It's right there. Oh, it's just nibbling on the cornbread. So cute. Okay, so I was saying I'm just here sitting on a blanket eating. I have my blue corn quesadillas, Takis chips, and some cornbread that I bought at the weekend market. And I have my backpack, which I was going to originally sell, but I ended up keeping it and I use it for work every day. I have two books. I have a Paulo Coelho book, which he is my favorite author. I just finished two books in the past 2 weeks by him, and when I was back home, before coming to Mexico, I read two other books of his, and I have a palmistry book that I am working on. So yeah, this is my little day at the park, and the squirrel is still nibbling. Oh, it's so cute. I want to take it home. It came up to me. So one day I'll give you a tour of this park because it's huge. But today I just wanted to sit and relax. And there's a zoo here. There are museums. There are shows here, and there are squirrels and beautiful different types of birds. And there's a lake where you can rent a little boat thing where you can paddle out and ride around on the boat. And yeah, there's so many things to do here. So this is my Saturday. I'm just spending it here relaxing and enjoying the sun, getting some vitamin D. So there's another squirrel. Come here. You're welcome. Bye. Oh my gosh, I'm enjoying this a little too much. So cute. Oh, I'm sorry, squirrel. The other squirrel is looking at me like, why'd you give the other squirrel some bread? Come here. Come here, squirrel. I'll give you some bread too. Come here. Come here. Come here. Here. Come here. You're welcome. I didn't want it to take my whole huge thing of bread. I hope they keep coming back. This is really fun. Soon I'm gonna have like 5 or 10 squirrels surrounding me. Yeah, so this is my Saturday. And there's another squirrel. I just gave it some bread, so that's the third. Oh my gosh, I told you guys, I'm going to have like 10 squirrels surrounding me soon. Come here. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Bye. This is so cool, guys. Oh my gosh. Soon I'm gonna run out of bread and I'm going to have like 50 squirrels surrounding me waiting for bread. Right there. Look. Go get it. Look. The other one's coming back. Come here. Come here. I'm eating with the squirrel. Are you going to attack me? Hey, don't get my bread. No. Get the other one. Here. He wants to take all of my bread. Do squirrels attack?